Is Web3 finally ready to take over? The internet is constantly evolving. Web 1 brought static websites, basic browsing, and limited interactivity. Web 2 changed the game with dynamic apps, social media, and content creators. But with centralized platforms dominating, a new model promises a revolution. Web 3, the decentralized internet powered by blockchain technology. Web 3 shifts control from corporations to individuals. Instead of trusting a giant tech company, users interact directly, owning their data and assets. It's a bold vision that excites tech enthusiasts everywhere. But is Web 3 truly ready to replace the systems we currently rely on? Or is it still just a buzzword? At its core, Web 3 refers to a decentralized internet built on blockchain, where users control their data and digital identities. Think of it as an ecosystem made up of decentralized applications, dApps, cryptocurrencies, and tokenized economies. It contrasts the centralized ad-driven model of Web 2. In Web 3, instead of using usernames and passwords managed by platforms, individuals rely on wallets that store cryptographic keys. These wallets connect users to a blockchain, the foundation for decentralized networks and transparent digital interactions. But while it sounds groundbreaking, confusion and misinformation often cloud Web 3's potential. One of the biggest promises of Web 3 is user freedom. You can own digital assets like non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or even have financial independence through decentralized finance, DeFi, apps. No middlemen, just you, the tech, and uninterrupted control over your digital presence. Creators benefit from fairer monetization models. Instead of platforms taking large chunks of profits, blockchain enables direct, equitable payments. Plus, transparency is built into every interaction, reducing fraud and abuse. These benefits could redefine how we engage with the digital world. Despite the vision, the dream of Web 3 faces significant technical and societal challenges. Scalability is perhaps the most pressing issue. Blockchains, while secure and transparent, are slow and expensive compared to centralized platforms. Transactions on popular networks can take minutes and come with high fees. There's also a massive usability gap. While tech enthusiasts may be comfortable using crypto wallets and decentralized finance tools, these processes feel daunting to everyday users. Will Web 3 ever achieve mainstream appeal if it remains user-unfriendly? For now, the answer isn't clear. Another major hurdle is regulation. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to treat cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized systems. Without clear policies, users are left vulnerable to fraud, scams, and instability. Striking a balance between security and innovation is crucial but far from accomplished. Regulators' skepticism stems from the decentralized nature of Web 3, which removes intermediaries who traditionally play by established rules. As a result, the road to widespread adoption is littered with uncertainties. Building users' trust while navigating regulations will be critical to Web 3's future. Optimists point to recent developments as indicators that Web 3 is maturing. Layer 2 solutions like Ethereum's upgrades are tackling scalability issues by enabling faster transactions at lower costs. Major tech companies like Meta and Google are exploring blockchain integrations that could make Web 3 features more accessible. Moreover, the growth in NFT adoption, DeFi platforms, and institutional support for cryptocurrencies demonstrates that real interest exists. These advancements suggest Web 3 isn't just a passing trend. It's building the foundation for a functional, user-friendly version of the internet. So, is Web 3 poised to dethrone Web 2? In short, not yet, but it's closer than ever. The groundwork for decentralized solutions is promising. However, until scalability, user accessibility, and regulatory clarity significantly improve, Web 3 will coexist with its Web 2 counterpart rather than fully replace it. As businesses and developers continue refining Web 3, its adoption could increase steadily. Just as social media grew from niche communities to global networks, Web 3 might take a similar path. Success will depend on whether it lives up to its promises without alienating users with complexity. The future of Web 3 is in your hands. Explore decentralized apps, experiment with crypto wallets, and engage with blockchain-driven platforms. As the technology evolves, early adopters will shape its direction and growth. Understanding Web 3 now lets you stay ahead of the curve. Ready to dive deeper into Web 3? Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's decode the future of the internet, together.